Good morning. My name is Berend Aanraat. I'm from the Netherlands, working for the Natural Step Netherlands, but also Natural Step International. I'm a father of 3 beautiful daughters, and I've been in the sustainability field for about 20 years, almost 20 years. I think I have my anniversary this year in 20 years in the sustainability business. I think the world has changed a lot, and we've seen everything around the whole Paris Agreement, carbon emissions, climate change, stuff like that. That's one of the reasons that we really should start acting now, and we see that in policies, we see that in companies all over the world. But the challenge is a bit bigger. We see pollution, we see challenges on the societal part, and there's so many different challenges that are actually putting pressure on society for now, that we need to move towards a more sustainable society, not only on the planetary level, so nature, but also on the human elements around that. And that's why we should take these steps forward. I think most important is that people learn a shared language about what sustainability actually is. Because it's a container. People have different definitions of what sustainability is, and if we don't have the shared definition and the shared understanding of what we actually mean, then it will be pretty difficult to work together and collaborate on the sustainability challenge. So a shared language, a shared understanding, but we will also help you discover a process of planning for sustainability in your organization or for your products or for your service company. And that's called backcasting for principles. So we actually use 4 sustainability principles that are derived from our impacts on a global scale, and actually describe the future when your company is fully sustainable, and backcast towards today and actually see what can we do tomorrow, what can we do next year, what do we need to do in 5 years, where do we need to plan for the big innovations and stuff like that. So that is what we help you with as well. What probably makes this program different is that it's a unifying framework. So it gives you the ability to use all different kinds of concepts, tools like cradle to cradle, biomimicry, ISO 14001, design for disassembly, all kinds of tools used in the whole sustainability arena to actually put them to service for your journey towards sustainability. So it's not a competition or a replacement for other tools. It's actually making sense of everything that is out there, taking the best out of these different tools, and helping you to support your journey towards sustainability. And that makes this framework unique. What it also makes it unique is that it's based on a very, very solid base of scientific insights. The big takeaways from all the different companies that are successful in the sustainability arena is a couple of them. It's increased benefits, it's reduced costs, it's being more attractive for future staff, it's being able to collaborate on a bigger scale, even on a system scale, to make change in certain sectors of industry, change their way of operating. The human perspective and the human element in every organizational change process is key. And we saw that especially around sustainability, because in the early days when sustainability was mainly focused on natural or more technical issues, you saw that the people that are interested in technique and nature are engaged, but a lot of people are not only interested in that, they have different roles in the organization. So putting on the human perspective into place is very important, and it engages a lot more people. But what we also saw is that people get a lot more meaning out of their work. And if you look at it from a scientific perspective, if people are able to fulfill their needs, then it's a lot easier for them to also work on the more technical or natural challenges that we are facing, because they are able to fulfill their needs. If you don't have food, people can ask you to put solar panels on your roof, but you first need food for your family to be able to just survive. So, starting from a perspective of the ability of fulfilling human needs makes it a lot easier to become successful on the whole sustainability arena, because you're addressing all the different aspects and also making clear what the interconnectivity between our natural system and our societal or human system actually is. So it's very important to have skills on that field and not only on the technical or natural parts of the sustainability challenge. We are really looking forward to your participation in this course. I think you will never regret it. What we've heard back from past participants in all our courses, they actually said, well, this was the eye-opener, this was actually helping me to move forward and take big steps towards sustainability. So you won't be disappointed, but at the same time, it's so much fun to work around, and we're here to have a lot of fun with you. So please sign up for this course. You won't regret it, and we will make sure you have a great learning experience from this. Thank you so much.